Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today I'll show you how to clean the outside of a Velux window easily. Right, let's get cracking. I'm going to be cleaning this Velux roof window here above a bath. If you're doing this window above a carpet, it's a good idea to lay a sheet down. You do not want to get dirt on your carpet. Today I'm just going to be using window lean and some kitchen towel. On your Velux roof window you should have a hole on either side. This is where you lock the window into position to give it a good clean. And I'll show you that as we do it through the video. So just unlock the handle, pull down on the top of the window and gently pull it down. Now on either side of the window at the top here, you've got these locking pins. So just keep pushing the window till it completely goes vertical and then over, and then when it lines up with the hole on the outer frame, slide that locking pin in. That then locks that window into place. Make sure you do it on the other side. And this Velux roof window is now locked into place. And we can now give it a really good clean on the outside of the window. As I mentioned at the beginning, if you're doing this window above a carpet, it's a good idea to lay some sheets down. Then take your glass cleaner and a clean kitchen towel and just start cleaning. If it's really filthy, first of all you can just clean it with some car shampoo and a non-scouring sponge and some hot water. This one is not too bad, so I'm just going to clean it with some glass cleaner. Let's just speed this footage up. Looking great. Now unlock the locking pins, and then we're going to flip the window back. Push it all the way up, lock the handle at the bottom and lock the handle at the top. Now we can give the inside of the window a good clean, again with some fresh kitchen towel and your glass cleaner. Whilst I'm doing that, there's a link above about how to fit a blackout blind to this Velux roof window. They block out all the light and give you some privacy. That is the outside and the inside cleaned. Let's just put the camera right up to the glass. Keep going, look at that. You wouldn't even know there was a window there. Super clean. Fabulous. I tell you what, I think that definitely deserves a lovely cup of tea. Whilst I'm having a cup of tea, in the top right there's a link on how to fit a blackout blind to this Velux roof window. In the top left, how to remove mould from silicone without any scrubbing at all. And in the bottom left, how to keep your curtains super smooth on the curtain rails. That is a top tip. I hope that was useful.